Ready-to-eat salad jars are one of the fastest, most vegetable-packed meals you can prep for the week. You can save even more time by starting with a salad kit, then adding a few hearty ingredients. No matter what flavor you choose, the order of your ingredients in the jar is one of the most important components. Always add your dressing to the bottom of the jar. This keeps it away from most of the other ingredients, so your salad greens stay crisp. Next, add any additional raw vegetables that aren't included in your salad kit. They can typically stand up to some time with the salad dressing. For my Greek salad jars, I'm adding chopped cucumber. Then add drained and rinsed beans for added protein and fiber. Next, any grains you want to add, such as rice, quinoa, or orzo pasta. Next, add your salad greens. Then add chicken, steak, or shrimp. And finally, top with any additional packets from your salad kit. If you want this recipe for my Greek salad jar, head to fairway.com.